How to fix Gmail verify your phone number error. Now, in most cases, what people arise when they're on Gmail is that their phone number somehow gets unassociated with their account. And every now and then, you're going to want to go ahead and re-add it. Okay. Every now and then, you're going to want to go ahead and set it for your Gmail accordingly. So, to do so, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your proper Google account, and the changes are going to be needed to done over there. So, once you're over here, what you're simply going to do is you're going to come over to the personal info section, and in the personal info section, you're simply going to re-add your phone number, okay? And once you add it, you're going to make sure to verify it through your phone, and once you have done that, what's going to happen from there is your phone verification issue will not appear. So just go ahead and delete the number, re-add it, and you're good to go. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.